Hi there, this is Michelle Wara with MRW Homes talking to you from Scottsdale. Today I'm going to discuss with you what is an HOA and what are the benefits of an HOA. So an HOA is a homeowners association, and typically in neighborhoods there is a governing group that regulates and monitors the neighborhood to make sure it's up to par. And actually it is a benefit to you. There is a cost involved every month, but it is a benefit because it really keeps the value of your property up. You know, you don't want someone living next to you that has a trailer and, 12 family members living there and they keep their garbage out and all of that kind of stuff. So it's great because it really keeps your properties looking great and the neighborhood looking great. The major downside is sometimes you live in a master plan community, so there could be multiple HOAs. So that's something to be aware of. If you're in a gated community, there could be a separate fee for you just to monitor the gate and the private streets within your particular subdivision within the big master plan. So that's the major downfall, is it can get to be expensive. So in Scottsdale and the Phoenix area, we do have a lot of neighborhoods with HOAs. Some of the nice benefits of it is they have community pools or tennis courts or pickleball courts if that's your thing. Volleyball, basketball. So it's great for kids, it's great for families of all ages, and there's just so much to do. So it's very common here, and if you are not from the Phoenix area and you are moving here, it's just something that you really need to know. If you do have any other questions about HOAs, or if you're from out of state and you are planning on moving here and have, you're not sure about it, feel free to call me at the information below, and I'd be more than happy to help you out. Thanks and have a great day.